Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Nowadays we see zoff spices coming up in the market. So I have ordered this zoff foods or the spices to see how they are. And this is how the packing was. I have ordered on cred stores. It's a combo pack of 3 spices, 500 grams each, coriander powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. These are 100% veg products and egg marked. It has got a cred promise also of quality. I got this pack of 3 at ₹75 on cred stores. Use my link in the description box if you want to buy for 75 rupees. Free immunity booster also is given along with the pack. So next we'll see how the spices are. These are curry spices. These go into different cuisines. These curry spices come as a combo pack. First you got Shahi Paneer and Chole and Sambar Masala, and you got Sabji Masala. Here comes the last masala, that is Dal Makhani Masala. Each masala pack is of 200 grams and it costs 85 rupees. Because I have purchased on cred stores, I've got it for 45 rupees, not each, but the total combo pack I've got. Now speaking of its quality, the quality is good. And first let us see how the chole masala looks. Really these masalas or the spices adds up to your dishes. To see more delicious and mouth-watering cuisines coming up in your kitchen. So you can use this chole masala if at all you're making chole sabji to make it more delicious and aromatic. Next comes Dal Makhani Masala. As you see in the picture, you have sabji masala here. This is a masala that you can spice up your regular curries. These are aromatic spices that can be used in curries, soups, or stews. If you cook your dishes, putting this masala, going into it, your people will rush to the kitchen and ask for the cuisine name that you have cooked because the aroma is so pleasant and strong. And here comes the Shahi Paneer Masala, as you saw. The last is Sambar Masala. If any of you have purchased these masalas or spices, let me know its taste and quality, how it was, in the comment section. Next is chili powder, and this is strong and pungent in taste. So use very little to spice up your curries. Not only red chili powder, even other spices are also strong and pungent in flavor. So use a little to spice up your dishes. The turmeric powder you see, and the last is the coriander powder. So these are the spices that make your regular curries into special curries. Though they have given a resealable pack, after using them in your curries you can seal them, but I was unable to seal the pack after use, as you see in the picture. To keep intact the freshness, best before date is given, before which you got to use. 1 year period is given. So if you purchase these spices, you can use it for 1 year period. As the brand name suggests, a pinch is enough to spice up your cuisines. If you add this in your dishes, you will come out with a aromatic and tasty dish. If any of you are watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Let me speak of cancellation and return policy. There are no returns accepted once the product is ordered on cred stores, and refund policy. You can get a refund in case the product delivered to you is damaged or defective. Within 7 days of order delivery, you can write to the customer care on cred stores. So you can enjoy your cuisines with a pinch of zoff masala every day. Now I'll show you how you can order on cred stores. You go to cred app as shown in the picture, click on shop. The option here below, the arrow mark suggests to click on it. So as you click on that, go to food and beverages, click on explore more, and here you go for salt or filter. Then go to brands and select soft spices or the soft food as shown in the picture. Then click on apply. Here comes the zoff foods. You can purchase whatever you want. Not only spices, many other products are also available. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can click on that and buy. And most important is you use the cred app to get at rupees 75 the full combo pack. That's it for today. So pure, a pinch is enough, right? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies one. Have a good day. Keep smiling.